Page number 11. The Quran as it explains itself.
Masculine gender for God in all scriptures is meant to be in conformity with our social fabric and ease of expression. For third person singular, almost all languages in the world use the male gender except when referring to a specific female. Al-Baqarah, 224. And if you fail to do it, and fail you will, yet remain haughty and scornful, then guard yourselves against the fire that has been readied for those who oppose the truth, and its fuel is the masses and their stony-heart leaders alike. This fire is generated in and engulfs the hearts. See verses 2:74, 9:110, 66:6, 104:6-7. Hajar equals stone. Equals rock. Equals a stone-hearted person. Equals elite leadership. Equals an apparently tough, prominent man. Equals the hard or high segment of a hill. Al-Baqarah, 225. Convey the happy news to those who have chosen to be graced with belief, and have done acts of service to humanity. For them will be a most pleasant reward, paradise in both lives. Try to understand it in the current human vocabulary. Plush gardens with streams flowing underneath. When they are provided with the delicious fruit of their deeds, they will say, "This is what we were provided." Before they had tasted some of the reward in this world, they will be given sustenance that will recall their past. These men and women will have pure companions therein, an everlasting happy family life. This paradise is not given away as charity. It has to be built in this life and then inherited. It has been described in the Quran allegorically, and it is not confined to one particular place. It encompasses the entire universe and is a logical consequence of living upright and contributing to the well-being of humanity. See verses 3:133, 13:35, 14:24, 24:55, 32:17, 39:74, 47:15, 57:21, 76:5-6, 76:17. Al-Baqarah, 226. God does not shy away from citing any kind of allegory, even of a mosquito or beyond. Those who attain belief by way of reason appreciate the allegories and know that therein is contained some teaching of the truth from their Lord. But those who have chosen to disbelieve, try to ridicule, saying, "What could God mean to teach?" Page number 11.
God is the one who has created countless cosmic bodies, and like them many of the kind of earth. His commands are delivered through all of them, so that you may learn that God has the ultimate decisive power over everything, and that God encompasses and controls all with the knowledge of sciences. Quran chapter 65 at Talaq verse 12.